Good afternoon. My name is Dot Kesling, and I'm the founder of the LOK Wishing Tree Foundation. Perhaps by now you've already received a contact from one of our volunteer ambassadors, and we applaud them for their time, their compassion. What are they asking for? They're asking for support for our newly launched teen program. It's a curriculum that we developed at the elementary, high school age group. We have found that the kids, once they've been educated, in this case with carbon monoxide safety and what a safe home looks like, they have the ability to really influence their peers, educate them, mentor them. And as a result, it builds self-confidence, community service skills, and there is this gratification in them giving back. So we thank you so much in advance for supporting this program. Live love.